Having trouble with your Xfinity Pod not connecting or working? Don't worry. It's a common issue with a few simple solutions. First, let's understand the basics. Xfinity Pods are mesh Wi-Fi extenders designed to broaden your Wi-Fi coverage. If a pod disconnects, you'll experience dead zones. The primary reasons for disconnection include interference from appliances, outdated firmware, gateway overload, or physical obstructions. We'll cover re-adding the pod, using WPS, and performing a factory reset, which are the key methods to resolve most connectivity problems. Keep in mind, if you're in Canada and using Rogers Ignite Wi-Fi, the process is similar, but ensure firmware compatibility to avoid issues. Let's walk through the troubleshooting steps. First, re-adding the Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and select Add Xfinity Pod. Place the pod near your Xfinity gateway. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This usually involves scanning a QR code on the pod. Next, using WPS for quick pairing. Locate the WPS button on both your Xfinity gateway and the pod. It often looks like two arrows forming a circle. Press the WPS button on your gateway, then immediately press the WPS button on the pod. Wait for a few minutes while the devices connect. The pod's light will typically indicate a successful connection. Finally, performing a factory reset as a last resort. Locate the reset button on the back of the pod, usually a small pinhole. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button and wait for the pod to restart. The light will blink, indicating it's resetting. Once reset, re-add the pod via the Xfinity app as described earlier. Remember to check for firmware updates after a reset to ensure optimal performance. These steps should get your Xfinity Pod back online, extending your Wi-Fi coverage seamlessly. If problems persist, consider contacting Xfinity support for further assistance.